If you've ever wanted some cool new end caps for your RV bumper, we might have a solution for you. Look
so
how
cool.
cute these are. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a cute little review of these RV bumper door end caps. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. If you don't know, most people store their hose for their black water down in these bumpers.
Yeah, and
So-
a lot of times this cap falls off,
Yep.
and then the hose comes flying out,
Yep.
and you get back to there, and you're like, I don't know where it's at.
Yep.
So this will stop that from happening.
And look cute at the same time.
It's awesome.
Check
They just
it
go
out.
right on the outside.
You just go right on.
That's
I
pretty
love
much
that they have the
together.
little clip.
Yeah. I'll
You can
put
see
this-
our hose is in there.
I know, right? And I'm gonna put this on there.
Yep. So that,
I might want that. No, that can be on the bottom.
yeah.
I lied. I want it on the top.
Okay. There you go.
Probably could be in the middle. It'd be even smarter.
It probably could be.
Let's do it in the middle.
There you go.
That makes the most sense. I
Okay.
bet the directions actually.
It
say-
probably does. Did we
And
read
this
them?
is-
Absolutely
Yeah, this
not.
is so easy to install. As you can see, it just goes over the
Yep.
outside, one bolt,
Yep.
and then that will tighten these together.
And then it's going to make it so this doesn't fall off.
And
Get it as
that's
tight as you want.
pinched on there already.
There is also little sticky strips that you can put on as well on the top and the bottom of this, just for some extra security that comes with it. Yeah, so there's these little strips here that you can put on there, and it's just gonna give it a little bit of extra security in
Extra
there, which is,
grip.
yep, a little bit of extra grip.
Yeah, probably a good idea. I'll probably stick to them. On these.
Yeah, but we just had to show you how cool these were, because not only are they adorable with the little paw prints,
Love it.
they're so cute. And yes, I can't tell you how many of these we have lost. Oh, how fun! You guys are looking for a great little RV door for your
And you
bumper.
don't lose any of the interior
Yeah,
space.
'cause it goes on the outside.
Because that is tight.
Yeah,
It
yep.
barely
Yeah, you wouldn't
fits.
be able to fit it if it went on the inside, so that's perfect. How cool! We definitely approve. Too cute.